Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, okay, okay. I think we're good. Hello? Let me just make sure everything is ready. Hi, hi. Hello. Boop, boop, boop. Let me fix this thing here. How's the ore performing to you lately? It's doing it. It's really good. It's really good. So far, so good. Honestly, not gonna lie. Can't complain. How's it working for you, bro? All good. All good. All right, let's finish this session. I kind of don't like it at all. This strategy. It's needs a lot of adjustments. A lot of adjustments. So we did break structure now. This fair value gap. Updated journal. Well, the thing is, the past 2 months, I'm not trading. Like the majority of the trades, I'm not trading at all because I've been tweaking my strategy. So there's nothing much to update. In June, only traded 1 week. July, few. August, almost no trades. So because I've been busy adjusting my thing. Yeah, that's really good, bro. That's really good. The last 2 weeks of August, yeah, was good for me through my new adjustments though. So everything's working fine. Hopefully. Oh, okay. Break even. Ah, yeah. It's just a matter of consistency now, bro. I I'm just tweaking something here and there, and then yeah. But in the meantime, let's get this strategy figured out in a way. It's not really good. This silver bullet needs a lot of adjustments. Okay, we did break structure. We did not retest the fair value gap. Oh, that's the entry. That's the fair value gap. We break structure. And that's the entry here. That's the last high. I have a lot of things to backtest, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. But recently, I'm interested in futures more. Like, okay, that's a loss. I'm interested in futures more, to be honest. I will do. Yeah. See, like for forex, I will I have something in mind, but I'm too lazy to backtest. Too lazy to backtest because future is my baby. But I need to actually, be a bit more, you know, um, flexible. Trade forex because the London time, I'm quite free during the London session, and I only love trading London session. I don't like New York. All right. For the meantime, we have break of structure, limit order, gets break even. Okay, TP hit, back to break even now. New York session. Okay, good. Did you try this silver bullet? So far, it's a break even strategy. You can adjust it. You can easily add a lot of filters, change the entry model, have some strict rules, and then it will be actually good. But trading it as is very bad. Break of structure. That's a fair value gap here. Place the limit order. Stop at the high. We tapped in. Gonna get stopped, I guess. Wow. Wow. It's a break even. And break even hit. By a tick. By a tick. So February, and you change from or no, that's I'm just backtesting strategies that are out there, and just to prove to you guys, I show you the actual results through the first 3 months of this year. I would never change the orb. Orb is always my baby. 15-minute orb, I would never betray. I still trade the 15-minute orb. Uh, yeah. Well, I'm just trying to be mechanical here. Like, some people use displacement as 3, 4, 5 bullish candle, and then retracement down there. But I'm just gonna use based on the rules. Like, I'm just showing you the strategy, and then you could add whatever fits your taste. That's a stop. There's a stop. They're just purely mechanical. Purely mechanical. Like exactly what I showed you. My orb purely mechanical, and it has way better results than this. Way better. You've seen it. Every month was green, except April was break even. So yeah, there's no fair value gap. All right. That's choppy day now. It's past our trading time, 11 a.m. Other day. Mark the high, the low. Swap the high. Break of structure, downside. There's no swing. We do have a swing here. It's a fair value gap. We place the limit order here. We got tapped in. Break even. And a break even trade. Ooh, a lot of break evens. I think with partials and stuff, yeah, it will be. But still, it's a break even strategy overall. So far, it's like not profitable, and not like you're not blowing any accounts. You're just being at the break even stage. I think it can be fixed. This can be fixed. 100% can be fixed. Do have a break of structure here. No fair value gap. Ooh. That's a limit order here. Okay, we got tapped in and stopped and stopped. Mark the high and the low in the 1 hour. Wait, I think. Okay, yeah, that's good. Same thing. Ooh. Nope, no retest. Now we're looking for longs. That's the long. And we got stopped. Oh my god. I'm not very used to that much of stop on backtesting. Feels weird. Oh, we do have a retest actually. That is our entry right there. We did break structure. That is our first fair value gap. Okay, here. Stop is here. Tourist reward. Hello, bro. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, brother. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're enjoying the content, bro. Just trying to backtest strategies out there, see the win rate, and then you can just try it out, boys, and add your own rules and see how it looks like. So far, I'm backtesting the silver bullet strategy. It's miserable. Completely miserable. Yeah, bro. Well, that's the thing. The silver bullet, ICT calls it trading with no bias. So you don't have to have a daily bias. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. And using the 1 hour high and low, which is the orb, it's a bit too, like, you're missing the move. I don't know. Like, the major move is missed. So far, I see this strategy as a 1-to-1 only, because we've had a lot of break evens. So I think the 1-to-1 would work very well, very very well. Oh, we had another entry we missed actually. There's another fair value gap presented. We take the first fair value gap, which was this small one here. It's bad, right? Is You can add rules, by the way. You can add your own rules and then try to tweak it. Like if the price went away 2-3 candles, then that's a yeah. Overall, bro, you could try out my strategy. That I don't really agree, bro. I was trading 8 months without having a bias. Did really well, except May incident though. Like, look at this. That's very sad. That's very sad. That's a break-even trade. If you go for the 1-to-1, you're chilling. But yeah, quiet. You could try my strategy that I backtested. I backtested 1 year, completely 1 year. I forgot the win rate though. It was 60%, I guess, or 58. But like, I'm a person that I don't believe when scalping. I don't need a bias, to be honest. I trade on 1 minute, so the 15-minute orb is my bias. If I'm below the orb, I'm just chilling. Just check where is your drawn liquidity and aim for that. Whether it's London lows, Tokyo lows, previous daily low, previous daily high, etc. I think that's it just buys. I don't know. It just helps mentally. Helps, to be honest. I always go for tourist to reward. Always tourist to reward. I do go 1-to-1 if my drawn liquidity is very close, right? That's the only time where I look for 1-to-1. But majority of my trades are 1-to-2. That's the entry here. Looking 1-to-2. There's nothing wrong with 1-to-1 strategy, to be honest. It has higher win rate. That's good. Yeah, I can't blame you. Like, what I believe, which I'm trying to do now, is that I don't want to trade. That's why I stopped trading live on Discord, because I want to trade by myself to kind of understand, um, like, refine and tweak my strategy, because May and June was miserable for me. Was really miserable for me. So I had like a moment of reflection, like I need to refine my strategy, try to enhance something, and so, I came out to the conclusion having a drawn liquidity without targeting to risk to reward is way better than actually going for 1-to-2. It makes more sense to me. Even though I was trading like that since November last year and was working perfectly smooth, everything smooth. Every month at least 3-4%. But May was something else. May was something else. But it's fine. Once I'm done and I have enough data forward testing, I'm gonna share with you guys. But so far I don't want to share something without forward testing it. But nevertheless, Orb is working just fine. Beautiful. Okay, oh, well, that's a break-even trade. Okay, break-even trade. It's a lot of break-evens so far. Okay. Oh, what is this gap? Oh, probably it's the open or something. Okay, we mark the high and the low. I'm really interested in Casper SMC. I've been told that it's a bad strategy. It's the 5-minute orb. I did not like the 5-minute orb as well, to be honest. I just tape read it and didn't like it much. But I just want to show the actual win rate of the strategy. People just just trying to attract viewers and shit. Oh, that strategy will quit your 9 to 5, blah blah blah. I want to actually backtest it and see whether it's good or not. So let's see. I'm not saying the strategy is bad, but I'm just showing raw results, how it looks like. This strategy, to be honest, mechanically looks as is, looks bad, but it can be enhanced. It can be better, to be honest. So I would I could make this strategy 50% win rate, but the entry model and the 1 hour range, I just not it. Well, here you should not take that trade. It's enough. It was overextended. And it's 11 past time now. So March so far we are down 1 hour. This is complete. So next Sunday I'll start off with Casper SMC. The more hype the strategy. Just people they know how to market, like, oh, this strategy is so good, blah blah blah. Nah. What pisses me off though is that people cherry pick. So they cherry pick a good month and they backtest the strategy, right? They just want you to see what they want, right? Like, it's good. It's really good. Try this out. Like, no, but like, so how I see if the strategy is valid or not. Backtest the first 3 months. If it was decent, not break even, then that's really good. That's really good. Even if it's break even though, like this strategy so far, it's break even. That's still good. That means you can 100% enhance it. 100%. Like for example, let's see here. I want to get a trade to show you how to, like, how would I do things. That's a break structure. Is that a gap? That is a gap. That's your entry. Like here, what would I do? I would check on ES. I would look, is there correlation? Is ES is actually correlating with NQ? Do I have an SMT that tells me to enter that short? Do I have the, like, what is the nearest draw on liquidity that's closer to me, you know? That's how you actually enhance the strategy. So my orb, well, it's not my orb, I mean the strategy that I came up with, the beauty of it, it has a really high win rate without having all of the drawn liquidity stuff. It's just purely on NQ. And if you are above the orb, just look for any inversion and then go longs. If you are, and vice versa, if you are below the orb. And it has a really good results. I backtested one entire year. Every month was profitable except 1 month, I guess. It was break even. So that's only mechanical. So imagine using this strategy and enhancing, enhancing it, adding your touches, adding your drone liquidity, improve your entry model. You would have a 70-80% win rate on one trade a day, though. Put in mind, one trade a day. And if you want to make it one to one, that's a 90% win rate. Easy. Very easy. So in this case, just increase your risk when you trade, which I'm kind of thinking right now to switch to 1-to-1. I don't know. I'm still cooking. Okay, that's 1-to-1 here. That was 1-to-1. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I that's what I'm doing now behind the scenes, trying to enhance stuff. 1-to-1, the beauty of it, you just get out of the chart ASAP without actually sitting long. Because sometimes the volatility in the market is very high, so your stop loss ends up being very big. So if your stop loss is very big, your too risk to reward is way too far. Can you back this one strategy for 1 week today? I give you. You could note that down. I can, because I want to follow the playlist that I'm doing. The each strategy. Once I'm done, right? I can do like an open strategy. I had this idea in mind just to have an open discussion. You guys give me a strategy and backtest it. For sure, I will. Let me just finish with the plan I have. Once I'm done, for sure, man. I will do 1 full day. You just give me a strategy. I'll backtest 1 or 2 weeks, and then see if we can enhance. I don't mind. Actually, I love backtesting. It helps me read price action more cleaner. But in the meantime, I just want to finish the silver bullet, to be honest. Alright, so break of structure. There's no gap. Okay, we have a gap here. What time is it? It's 10:52. We still have time. Okay. Ooh, god damn. That's crazy. I don't know. I will. You can join my Discord, and then we can set like a different day for that. I don't mind. I usually go live Sunday and Saturdays. We can do like 1 full day, just an open discussion, because I love doing this. It's fun for me. I enjoy it. I enjoy it a lot. You can just go in the description, the video. There's my link for Discord. You can join, bro. Hello, yeah, bro. How are you? All right. There's nothing here. just joined. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Okay. I think this is the last week, and then we're kind of over. So far, we're down in March. We're down. March this year was my best month. Okay, so we have here. That's your Fair Valley Gap. What time is it? It's 10:54. We have 6 more minutes. I'm from Syria, bro. Okay. Yeah, that's your entry. Ooh, that's ugly. It's really ugly. Yeah, the overall structure is bearish. Right? 2 more days, and then we will have the win rate of this strategy on the first 3 months. This is not good. This is terrible. We did break structure, but there was no fair value gap. Okay, now, well, here. Should be here. No trading this day. Last day of the month, 31 of March. It's the 1 hour. High and low. Boom. Hola. Oh, welcome, welcome. Me too, I'm from Damascus, bro. Oh my god, this is a bearish day. Alright, we do have break of structure. That's a fair value gap here. Limit order. It's the last trade of the month. Alright, we're tapped in. And there you go. There you go. What a terrible strategy, not gonna lie. Yeah, see. Terrible strategy. See the win rate. Oh my god. So, obviously 38 trades is not enough, but I back tested 3 months. Really? Well, now you do. Now you do. No, I live in the kingdom. Okay. So yeah, that's that's a complete mess. That's a very that's not a user friendly strategy at all. It can be 100% adjusted. We can tweak a lot of stuff, but I think even with some little tweaks, um, it's still a bad strategy because you're always looking for reversals, and I'm not a big fan of reversals at all. I always love the continuation. The trend is the friend. Trend is the friend. I never liked taking reversal trades, but that's so far the strategy. 12 break evens. So if you are going for 1-to-1, that'll be a 12 wins for you. 12 wins. Uh, that would fix a lot, to be honest. 1-to-1 could fix it. That's one solution. Yeah, of course. Anything below 40% is bad. 40% and up is really good. But I think if you go for 1-to-1, it will like this strategy will be fixed, 100%, excluding all of the variables that you want to add to enhance the strategy. But I'm glad we're done with this strategy now. I'm gonna delete this from my mind. I would never come back to it. I don't recommend it to anyone. So we'll come back again Sunday. Sunday I'll be trying Casper SMC. It's a 5-minute orb. It's a continuation trade strategy. It's not a reversal, which is good. I have a good vibes on it. I did some tape reading. It was okay-ish, decent. Yeah, that's very good. Well, actually, my I have a 1 to 2 strategy. I have 69% win rate on 1 to 2, excluding this year though. This year was something else. That's why I'm trying to switch to 1 to 1. Oh, good luck, bro. Good luck. Good luck with that, bro. You just make sure you be consistent and disciplined and don't trade more than 1 or 2 trades a day to not mess with your equity curve and with your psychology. But hey, so far, not recommended. Terrible strategy. The idea is good, but you can fix it by going for 1 to 1 and having a draw on liquidity and checking SMT as a variable with ES or Dow Jones to confirm your entries if it's valid or not. But that will be it for today. I'll see you guys next Sunday. Uh, any questions before I leave? Yeah, yeah, this is bad, bro. I don't recommend it. I don't recommend it. Anything that's a reversal, just run away. It's like it's like holding a falling, I don't know, falling knife. Yeah, it's very risky. All right, guys, you take care. Have a good day. See you next Sunday.